Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we identify and trim suckers out of the tomato plants. Here's a clip from the show. Okay, the next thing I want to work with is the tomatoes, and last week I told you that I would show you how to prune these again. I let them get a little bit longer, so if you have some out of control tomatoes, this would give you a clue. So the first thing I want to do is identify the top of the plant. So here's my top of my plant, and what I want to do is get a clip on that, and then I know where I can trim suckers. So I come down, this is my first sucker that I can find, and then come down a little further, there's another sucker here, and then this big thing here is another sucker. It's actually a really big one, and we're going to just close our eyes and we're going to cut it off. Well, don't have your eyes closed while you cut it off, but you know, it's hard to take out that much of a plant, but that's what we needed to do to get this plant in this system. This is one root ball, one vine. This is just how I like to grow. I mean, you can let your plants get as bushy as you want, but I find I can grow more plants in a smaller space and I get more production because I'm only asking one root ball to feed one vine instead of one root ball feeding like 30 vines. So I get that cleaned up like that. Any more suckers? There's a little one right there. Okay, so that one is done. That's ready to go. And I'll do one more for you. So this is our next one. And first we got to find our top. It's laying clear over here. A good clue as to which sucker, for any better term, is your top is the one with the fruit on it. So that'll be your most mature top. So we're going to put this string around on the back side, and we're going to get a clip on this so we know this is our top. Okay, and then now we can cut these suckers off because we've gotten our top identified, and these are big suckers because we let this go a little too long. And we also got some little suckers in here, and we also got some tomatoes. So we will be able to get a little harvest here, which is fantastic. These little guys are so tasty. Okay, this is long enough for a second clip. I usually put a clip about every foot. And so we can go ahead and come on up. If it is cold in the mornings, don't be bending your plants. You want the air temperature 70 or better before you're bending your plants. If you bend them when it's cold, they have a tendency to break. Okay. All the suckers, there we go. Okay. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 7. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.